Janet. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing squishy balls.
And they are from Amazon.
So let's start unwrapping.
So mine is a giant brown box I'm going to be unboxing.
And this is mine. It's just a little...
Really loud gray
wrapping thing.
So I have my handy dandy scissors.
I'm just going to rip mine up so I don't pop any of the squishy balls.
But I can't because mine's a box. They're in one of them.
So I'm gonna open this little turtle first.
Oh, that's so cute, but I am struggling on mine.
It's so cute. Okay, so here's the turtle. Here's the turtle, guys. It's so cute.
Oh.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it's ripped on the bottom right here.
Wait, is there Orbeez?
Yes, it's Orbeez. It's right here.
Oh.
It's ripped on the bottom. That's okay. I think it's supposed to be ripped because it's not like a really bad rip, but it's kind of, but you know. Oh my god.
I know.
It has so much in it. Maybe because it's a giant box.
Ooh, look, I have some poppy things.
Don't pop it.
I'm going to throw them back.
Oh my gosh, this is kind of sticky, but it's a cutesy wootsy dolphin. Look at it. It looks like dolphin, but it's red. Okay,
Ooh, it's sticky.
so here's my cutesy wootsy dolphin. It's kind of sticky. It's clear though. It's so cute. Little eyeballs.
It has
red
red Orbeez. Okay, I'm gonna pick one
Really
more.
cute.
I see this mystery black thing in here.
So you're gonna open it?
Yeah.
An animal?
Oh, it's wrapped.
It's a frog, guys. That looks so interesting. I mean, so interesting.
What's this?
What is? I think it's like a. What is that? Oh, it's like a press down key thing.
Okay, so this one is that you press on the buttons. And yeah, I think that's all it does.
Oh,
It's like squishing, like if you're really, like if you just want to press buttons.
yeah. And I have a frog here, a froggy. It's a cutesy witsy froggy. And here's my frog. It has clear legs. Squish, squish. It's really blue.
Ow.
Like really blue.
I think I know what you're supposed to do actually, guys. Okay, excuse me. So, you see these colors, the rings? Well, you're supposed to bring the ball to that color ring.
Oh, I get you. Okay, now guys.
And see, I just made this one, this color, red.
Okay. I'm gonna open this yellow one, and it looks like a fish. I wanna feel it. I wanna feel this.
Whoa. Ooh, can I show them this one
Yeah.
first? Okay, so I have this yellow squishy ball. Right, yeah.
Doesn't look so.
It's like a bouncy ball. Well, like a really bouncy ball. And just like it has some textures here, and it's like pretty cool. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to squish though.
And here's my little fishy. It's so cute.
It's yellow like this one.
Yeah, we're twinning. This is yellow Orbeez. And if you squish it, it's like the same as all the other ones, but it's so cute. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Well, you have one more in there. Looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can play with the ones I just played with.
Oh my gosh. This is like a rubber squishy ball.
Ooh, guys.
That looks so cool.
This one's cool, guys. I'm gonna unwrap it. Oh gosh. Okay, so this one, guys, is like a. It has like I don't know what they're like bouncy balls inside of this, and it makes cool noises.
It's like confetti balls
Yeah,
inside a ball.
and it has a clear wrapping, like a really clear wrapping.
Mm-hmm. I have here a rainbow dolphin. It's a dolphin. It kind of looks like a shark, but it's a dolphin. So here's my beautiful dolphin. It's really squishy. Look at it. It's just so rolly on the floor. Here's
on the table. It's not on the floor.
oh yeah. And there's a tail, and that's my
I'm gonna squish that one.
beautiful dolphin.
Can I squish it? Here you go. Ooh.
I have no more in my packet. I'll open one from here. I'll pick
Oh,
one.
wait, the brown one. This one. Yeah, that one.
Okay, I picked out this random one, so let's see what's inside of it.
Guys, this one feels really interesting. Okay, so this one has like spiky stuff on it. And then there's like the same things as this one inside, but smaller. And only yellow, blue, and red. Oh!
I know, it's so weird. Let me show you guys.
See? This is how it looks like.
Oh, it's in a Ziploc bag.
So, this is really textured and it feels nice. Ooh, it feels really massaging. Let me just
Okay.
massage Kate's head.
Okay, so what I have here is a spider. And it has like a rainbow balls inside of here. So let me show you. It's like a creepy spider. It has weird tentacles on it. It's really stretchy tentacles. You can get your stretching skills in it. And it's like, look, watch. Like stuff comes out of it because there's holes in it. So when you squish it, rainbow Orbeez come. Yeah.
It has these red eyes, guys. Well, can squish it. Ooh, the weird.
Okay, so Jane wanted me to show you the skull.
Oh.
So this is the skull. Here's the face right here. And when you squish it, it like comes out from the top. Ready?
It's weird.
So cool. I feel like you can take it out, but you can't. Here's my beautiful skull. It's pretty nice. It's really cool.
I'm sure. Okay, wait. Can I show them this one
Yes.
first? Guys, this is an emoji pack. See? This is my emoji pack. I have the smiley cry face-ish.
Like a happy face-ish, you know.
Okay, this is mine, guys.
Whoa.
It's kind of weird. I feel like I'm squishing, what's it called? Pom-poms.
It does?
So,
Is it,
yeah,
like,
kind
soft?
of. Not soft. I can't feel the softness. It's kind of like hard to squish in a way, guys. It's yellow inside, and it's like really, like
Hard.
thick in a way.
Yeah. Okay.
And I'm guessing all of these are the same. So I'm gonna quickly open this.
Okay, let me show you the rhino. It's a brown rhino. It has rainbow spots so it can squish out. So here's my rhino. I think it's a rhino. I have no clue what it is, but let me squish.
It's called a rhino.
There's all my juicy particles, Orbeez. Oh, on the bottom there's one down here too. And there's some right here. All over this beautiful brown rhino.
Yeah!
Yay! Okay. It's a spider. At first I thought it was an octopus, but it's a spider.
That was me. Sorry for the loud noise.
It's like stretchy tentacles. Really wobbly too. Like,
It's a what? Octopus?
it's not an octopus. It's some sort of spider. I don't know what it's called. And it has a squishy. I love this part. It feels soft. Like the outside, the green part. It feels soft. It's like so weird tentacles because you mean like legs because you can like stretch it and stuff.
Okay, so just like the one I already showed you, this one, it has 3 other ones. This one, it has this one with the red cheeks. Yeah. And then this one has sunglasses. Cool sunglasses. Feel the same texture. And then, where's this one? This one has a drooly mouth with love eyes, like heart eyes.
Hardy.
And then this one, oh yeah, we already showed you that one. And so yeah, those are the heart, the emoji ones. These are emojis. If I can grab them.
You know?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the package I got. It says DNA balls.
I want to open this one instead. This one looks a bit funner. And I'm opening up something called stretch balls.
Look, he came with this cutesy sign, yo-yo toys, yo-yo toys.
And I got something called yo-yo toys too.
I need scissors for sure, because these are like really cool.
Don't cut the orb.
I'm not.
Squishy ball.
Okay, so here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Look.
Hey, it's like this one.
Yeah, it is. But different textured. So this is like a green outsiding, and it's so confetti on the middle. It feels like these,
Wow.
like the emoji ones. Like, same exact. But funner, you know?
Let me feel. Hey, it's pretty good.
What, like one outside?
Guys, this is the best texture ever. Can I feel the green one? The green spider one?
Yeah.
This one has like glue in it, guys. It's, and the thing, that like the outsiding is really soft. Oh my gosh, I can't even explain it. It's so soft.
Is it fun?
Yes, it's so much fun.
I
Look,
don't know.
guys, if you can kind of see like the whiteness, it looks like glue. So, I thought it was slime at first.
Here, this is the spider one. Okay.
Hey, that one's better texture.
So this is the next one. It's pink outsiding, just like the green one. It's the same exact thing, but different outsiding colors. So I'll place this right here. Let me show you the last one. It's right here.
It's yellow outsiding. No, just clear.
Fun ball. So we have 3 colorful balls here. So squishy. Oh my gosh, this is so
I
fun.
know, guys. And I just unwrapped these two. Oh, you can really see the white in these ones. Yeah. So these are really soft, just like the red one. I really like these.
Yeah.
I kind of like these. Are my new favorite right now.
And there's one more package in here, guys. I'm gonna place the giant box on the floor and throw this one in the back.
That was loud. And this one is mesh balls.
Dump it in. Just turn it that way.
Oh, and we have another sign that says yo ya.
Okay, I got my first one out. It's just like a regular old dress. It's just squishy and stuff. So you squish it, and then things come out like this one. And we have one more. It's the red one. And it's the red one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's so fun.
These two are about the same, right?
No.
Well, okay. This is all the the squishy balls we got. Well,
got some
most of
other
them, but we have some other ones that are the same but different kinds. Color.
Which one's your favorite?
This one's kind of cool, I mean.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite?
But I think my favorite has to be that one.
Yeah. It's so much fun.
I know, right?
Okay, guys, comment down below which one's your favorite. So, that's what we have for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video and had an awesome day.
Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below.
If you want to see more videos like this, tap this box here instead of videos. Tap that box and please subscribe to our channel right here.